Let's make lemon cake. For this recipe, I used just 1 lemon, and from this lemon I got 2 teaspoons lemon zest. I would also want to note at this point that if you want the lemon flavor in your cake to be more prominent, then you can use more of the lemon zest, but this 2 tablespoons is okay for me, and that's why I used that. All the list of all the ingredients I used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. Kindly check that out after watching this video. Valentine is around the corner, and this particular lemon cake recipe is one you should make for that special person in your life. I made this for the special person in my life, and I want to tell you with all confidence that he loved it. Okay, here you can see I'm just mixing all my dry and wet ingredients using my spatula. I would also want to note at this point that you do not want to overwork your batter, but at the same time you want to ensure that you are mixing these ingredients properly. Kindly like this video if you are yet to subscribe to my channel and be a part of the delicious family. I've gotten this question 1,000 times, asking why I always sieve my flour. Yes, I sieve my flour because I want them to be lightweight and to also remove any form of impurities in the flour. Yes, always sieve your flour before using them because you will notice a great difference. Okay? Kindly also note that I use whole milk at the end of this process to lighten up my batter, but feel free to use any kind of milk that is readily available to you. One thing I love so much about this cake is that lemon refreshing flavor. Yes, it just refreshes your whole mouth. Delicious lemon cake recipe would not be complete without my icing topping. So for this, I just used icing sugar and lemon juice. Oh my goodness, the lemon taste that infuses in the icing sugar. It's something that makes this lemon cake recipe one you should definitely try. Okay, thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.